everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandra. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm going to do a very, when I say very, I mean very quick makeup look. It's going to be like done, one and done. Okay, we're going to start. I've already moisturized. I also, I used this on my face and my décolleté. How do you say that? Décolleté. And shoulders. Patch right top for face and body. This is called the All Over Glow Balm. She's glossy. I got it in the light color. Smells divine. I also have the hair and body spray. First I hated it, and now I'm like, I'm obsessed. What is wrong with me? Anyway, that's the thing. So I'm using the Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I will not be using foundation today. You guys, I got my Laura Geller foundation. I really wanted to try this. It's the Baked Balance and Glow Illuminating Foundation in Light. I can't use light today. I have been out in the sun. That just isn't going to work. So instead, we're going to use, I think we're just going to use bronzer. And a palette that I haven't touched yet. Dudes, I haven't touched this palette. This is the Jeffree Star Cotton Candy Queen palette, and I have not broken it open yet. I'm going to put this pink shade all over my lid. That one, just that one, that's it. Yep, just going to go there, be done, do it, done, we're good. Okay, so I'm going to use my Nars cream bronzer. I don't know about using a cream bronzer. I probably should use a primer first, hey? I'm going to use my One Size Secure the Sweat because it's been a long day. I have not had a shower today. Not that I'm dirty or anything. I had a shower yesterday, messed my whole routine up, let me tell you. It really, truly did. Messed my routine up. I usually have a shower. All right, I have a showers when I'm dirty, but I usually wash my hair. Let me rephrase that. I wash my hair every Tuesday, every Friday. That's my routine. It's been my routine for a really long time, probably ever since I had my kids, because I don't like to over wash my hair. And yeah, that's a thing. So I messed up my routine, needless to say. So now I'm like, what do I do? What do I do? What am I doing? And I feel like I'm all over the place. I swear I don't have ADHD. It's not a bad thing, but I don't have it. So I am not using my products like I would normally use my products, you guys. I'm using a brush. I'm using the Sigma Dual Fiber Powder Blush Brush. I'm using my Nars Laguna 3 Bronzer Cream. And I am putting this in like tanning areas, okay? So full frontal nose, full frontal cheeks, a little bit on the chin, full frontal on the forehead, and then we're just going to blend. I made the mistake of not bringing my sponge. I did not wet my sponge, so I'm doing it the old-fashioned way with a brush before sponges became a thing. And we're just going to buff it out with this brush. So I'm going to add some pretty color with some blush. I kind of forgot about blush here. What color do I want to use, y'all? I want to go for, even though like the Coral Crush has been my thing, I'm going to go for the Huda Beauty Full Filter in Intense Guava. Guava is my favorite color. And then we're going to add some more bronzer on top once we're done. So I'm not doing concealer. I'm not doing foundation. What is wrong with me? We will use some highlighter after. Yeah, seriously, huge issues today. Huge issues. Buffing it out with the brush I use to apply the bronzer, so it's gonna buff in a little bit better than if I just used like a different brush. I'm just gonna apply it and blend it in. I'm using very light strokes here because I don't want it to disappear on me. Whoa. Okay, I think that's good. That's not too bad. Add some highlight. I don't know what I'm doing for lips yet. What am I doing for lips? I have no idea. I'm just not used to doing this without my sponge. highlight brush, nugget, not my sponge. And then we're going to go in with our brows. We have to redo blush. You know what? I'm going to use the other shade. This is Sunset Lychee. Still the blush filter by Huda Beauty. Same blush brush, or it's kind of like a highlight on top of the highlight. All right, so we've applied all of our products. I'm going to set with the setting spray, because what else have we been setting with today? Or not today, but like in general. Not powdered, you guys, not powder. Before I do that, I'm going to do brows, just because I feel like I should do brows first. Brows are going to be done. Told you this is going to be a quick makeup look. Okay, guys, so eyebrows are done. Very, very quick. Let's do some setting spray. Then, which is essential when you do setting spray. I feel like I need bubblegum pink lip gloss, or like really light lip gloss. Have one in mind. My like all two go-to favorites are always Jeffree Star. Always go to either Buxom or Jeffree Star for regular makeup, like natural looking lips if I don't line them. Okay, so next let's do a shadow. So, or do I want to do more bronzer? I don't know, maybe I don't need to do more bronzer. I think my face looks pretty good the way it is. So I'm going to go into the palette. I'm going to just put the shade Frosting Fun all over my lid, and hopefully it looks okay. I haven't actually used this shade. Normally I always use a, let's see, I always use an eye primer, but I'm going to see if this will be okay. If it fades, it's not the end of the world. Such a quick, easy look, especially if you've got darker skin. I know like bright or light tones look amazing on people with dark skin. It doesn't matter what shade of skin you have, what nationality you are, but dark skin looks so good, especially in summertime when you're trying to pull off those pretty summer looks. So I'm going to line my lash line with my Too Faced Better Than Sex. I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Exxager-Eyes. 2 lashes, and then we'll come back and look at lips. We'll be right back. That was like record time. Eyelashes applied perfectly. I'm going to do lip gloss. And the one that I picked is the one that I just recently purchased with my last haul. It kind of matches the shadow, even though the shadow is pink. It does have like a lavender hue. So I'm going to use my YSL, I think this is like Thunderstruck or something like that. It's the Love Shine Plumping Lip Gloss. It does have a little bit of a tingle, and it kind of smells like, you know, like plumping lip glosses smell. Kind of like the Too Faced Extreme Plump one. But it's got the hugest applicator I've ever seen. So let's go ahead and apply this. Okay, there we go. So it doesn't really change the color of your lips, but it does look really, really pretty still. And I'm really happy with it. So I think that's good to go. I'm going to do one more setting spray. I wonder if I need more highlight. Maybe. Do we need more highlight? Possibly. I mean, when do we not need more highlight? So I'm going to use my Mary Lou by the Balm, because I already used the other one. And while that was great, I always use a little bit of this as well. Right here. Nose, of course. And I am going to go in with a little brush and do the inner corner. Do under the eyebrow. And then we're going to do one more spray. Because, oh, why not? Okay, again, that was a very short spray. We're going to dry the face with my fan. I love this thing. It's like my favorite thing. I swear to God, I got this in the dollar store, you guys. It was like $1.25. All right, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I am so happy with this. I think it's so pretty. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Click the like button if you enjoyed it. And click the bell button if you want to see more videos like this. We'll talk to you guys soon. Mwah. Happy date night, y'all. Bye. Bye.